These two motions for recusal have been filed so far against Michelle Odinet, the judge here in Lafayette City Court. She seemed to be a rising star. She is highly educated and she has several years of legal experience, but as we all know, it takes one slip of the tongue. She is now accused of spouting racial slurs in a widely viewed video on social media. And all of this now could cause some problems in the future for the city court. The first recusal motion has been filed to remove Judge Michelle Odinet from a case that went before her. Deedrick Lawrence, who pled no contest to OWI second offense before the judge back in September, was sentenced to unsupervised probation for 2 years. His attorneys accuse Odinet of being prejudiced and biased against African Americans by using her own words in this widely viewed video on social media, and that disqualifies her from being fair and impartial under state law. This situation is similar to another judge in Louisiana. Former Ascension Parish Judge Jessie LeBlanc resigned after text messages showed her using racial slurs to describe court employees while exchanging those messages with a deputy she was having an affair with. At the time, the district attorney reviewed back cases and sent thousands of letters to every defendant who ever appeared before her over an 8-year time span. There were only 4 or 5 cases that raised a red flag. Those cases have since been resolved. However, in these types of situations, there's no time limit for raising an issue. It remains to be seen whether or not Lafayette City Court will do the same to notify former defendants whose cases were decided by Judge Odinet. Judge Odinet has been on the bench for about a year. She is scheduled to start hearing cases again on December 28th. In Lafayette, Mark Rigsby, KLFY News 10.